Viewers, welcome to this session. My name is MK, and today we are going to focus on softwares. Basically, normally what we do is we try to focus on important areas that we normally come across when we use our computers and try to give out solutions to them. So, softwares, if I can simply define a software, many of us we use softwares in our computers without knowing that actually those are softwares. So a software basically is a setup of instructions that enables us to perform tasks that we normally do. For example, when you scan your machine using the antivirus software, the end up results is you eliminate the viruses that could have infiltrated your computer. So we have so many types of softwares. We have some major softwares like the operating system and other simple softwares like the antiviruses and the printer softwares that we normally use. So my main focus today is to illustrate how we can install a software. So many times people get stranded when actually it's very simple and very easy to install a software. So viewers should know how to install software so that you do it on your own instead of incurring some extra costs when you are trying to find someone to do it for you. So in this case, I have a printer software here, an Epson printer software. So let me show you how you can install this simple software in your machine in case you've bought a printer and want to install the printer. So let us move on and see. This is a printer software. I'm inserting it to the CD-ROM drive. Okay, when you input your CD to the CD-ROM drive, you go to the PC icon, you open it, then you go to the DVD-ROM, or DVD drive, you open the DVD drive, you go to the install instruction there, you click on that, you double click, here you say yes, and after saying yes, what you do basically is you dialog with the dialog box that come across, that opens in your desktop. So in this case, you say accept. Have you read and accepted the software license agreement? Here you say yes, and you say yes. You click next on the agreements. It requests whether you've checked the inks are okay. Here you say yeah, okay, next. So you let it install the driver, so it will be sending the files to the system. It will take some few minutes, but you'll be patient for it to finish. So let us be patient for it to proceed. You can see it's sending the printer drivers into the system. So it indicates the kind of files that are moving into the system. You can see now it is sending the scanner files to the system. So normally my printer has the scanner part. That's why you can see the scanner drivers are being sent to the computer. So as you can see, it's finalizing up. It is checking the system environment. So that's how simple we install a printer software. But first, you must ensure you click on the finish button to be sure that you have reached the last stage. So you click on the finish button, and then you are done. So that's all for today. So we thought it's easy for you to install your own software at home instead of looking for some expert to do it for you. And we shall be bringing in more content for you on the sensitive issues that we know you people come across. So kindly, my request is you subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.